Facing site critical errors, blank screens, or sites that simply won't load. Fixing them usually means hours of stressful guesswork. Not anymore. Introducing the ZipWP AI Troubleshooter. It's built right into your dashboard to handle the panic for you. If you see this kind of error in your website, let me show how to fix it with ZipWP. Go to his Sites within Dashboard. Click on the Diagnose Site button and start. Then wait until ZipWP find all the problems with your site. Then it will show all the problems it found with all necessary details. Not only that, it will show what issues causing the problem, but it will give option to fix the problem there itself with just a click of a button. Now the problem is fixed. You can see fixed notification. If we go to our site and refresh, you will see the error gone and site working perfectly. That's how easily you can fix site errors with ZipWP.